Alright, we're back out of the shed. I'm following him. I forgot to turn it on. I think I'm going right here. Yeah, there he is. Oh yeah. Alright, boys. Let's go. We're in fucking... Dude, that little shed was clutch, bro! Clutch! Alright. There it is, I got it. Yeah, I forgot about it for a second, so go ahead. Gotta be a clogged injector. Or my flaps just... No, I don't know. Gotta be a clogged injector. Look at this shit, it's just flowing down. Flowing down river. Flowing down the river. This shit's just getting eaten away. Little by little. I'm trying to drive how he's driving, you know. And I cut over like this. I cut over a little bit more. Whoa, big rock. Okay. I see it. Damn, that shit's big. Wow! Hell no! Hell no! No way! Dude, no way! I'm not getting near that. Not even near it. Holy fuck, I just want to see it on video. Holy shit! Oh my god! Dude! Look at this! Oh my god! Dude, literally, if you're watching this, this right here was about maybe 5 feet wide, not even, maybe 4 foot, right? 4 foot wide? Dude, look at it! It's destroyed! It's destroyed! They are! We should cut around to the other side and see if we can see them. And we're gonna try to see if they're dredging it out. The guys that own this property, I hear them. They might be coming back to talk to us. Hear it? Is it? Alright. Hey, I pushed mine back. That's crazy, dude. That's fucked up. Alright, go ahead, you're good. Damn. That shit turned into a motherfucking river. Holy fucking shit. I'm trying to get... I mean, just look how big it is, dude. It's gigantic. It's huge. I mean, get real. We ain't crossing that. Now we're gonna go around the other side and see if Gibbs is dredging it out. Because this is just a total washout. So it might be completely washed out for a couple weeks now. We might be fucked. Go! Might be fucked here. If we can't cross Gibbs' property, we can't get to the other side of the street where the trail opens up for us, really. Honestly, that's kind of what it is right now. So, we're going to go around to the other side of Gibbs right now. I'm going to try to get up there. I got to practice. I got to focus on riding right now. This is fucking waterfall city, so going up the opposite way. I'm slamming it down in the first. I think we're gonna have to go back and around here. I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's see where Jimmy goes. Jimmy knows the trails better than I do, so we'll do a little bit of ripping. Tried to fucking roost me out of there. I didn't roost him. The fuck, brah? The fuck, brah? Oh, no, 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 no. No, I will not. Oh my god, I don't want to go down this really right now. I really don't want to go down this. Jesus Christ. That's fucking nuts. That's fucking nuts over there. That's a nut send up. Oh my. What? No. Don't do it. I gotta do this then, I guess. I guess I gotta do this. Oh my god! I don't know if I'm gonna get up this. Oh. My hand. Yo! I know. You gotta pick it up. Alright. Yeah. Hold on. Alright. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Something snapped. Hold on. Hold on. The front brake snapped off. Yeah. Oh fuck. Hold on. Let me get up. Dude, it fucking just came up on me as I was trying to go up. I did throw that. I think that's what sent me back. Oh my god. We're good. What are you gonna do from here? I'm just gonna have to go back down. Want me to drop it? Hold on, just wait a second. Step on the brake. Okay. Yeah, drop it. Where's the brake? Right here, right? Alright, got it. Slow down. Try again. Try again? I broke my whole fucking brake lever off. I know you did. Fuck. That's how we got more of them. Alright, hold on. Give me a second. Well, I know, obviously, when I'm trying to get up the hill, it just fucking just grabbed. It started sliding, dude. I went up the same lane as you. It just started grabbing. You're heavier than me. You gotta put your body in the front of your wheeler, dude. Woo. You gotta feel it, dude. It all comes with feeling, dude, when you're on it. Woo. You just got 100 pounds on me, that's all. I know that. Woo. Yeah. But you got, a
put a clearance on me too.
Yeah, I know, but it really don't have nothing to do with clearance. It's just, you know.
That's right, dude. That's right.
I know.
Got this or what?
I don't know.
You want to try one more time or not? If not, we'll go back the other way.
Woo!
You want to go back the other way?
Holy fuck! Give me a second.
I'll come down. We'll go the other way. Don't let that sit too long like that, just so you know.
What?
Don't let it sit long like that.
Oh yeah. Holy fuck! I didn't even
Get on
notice
it.
that.
You gotta get on it fully and ride it down to the right side down.
Yeah.
Get there where it's dry.
Alright, hold on, my leg hurts. Alright, I'm good. Yeah, I don't know if I even want to go back up there.
Yeah, we'll go down. We'll go down.
Just cause I'm getting like fucking slammed up on the roof, dude. Even my, look at my goggles!
You gotta get more acceleration.
Yeah. I tried to.
You gotta keep it moving, dude. Like 5-10 miles per hour up the hill, so the grass is moving.
Yeah. I mean, most of the time I have it in second, but I just couldn't. I felt like, whew, holy fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go down. Yeah, I can't go up that shit. Holy fuck. Ah, fuck, dude. Hopefully my four-wheeler's not too fucked up right now. Oh, you guys just watched me flip. That's gonna be fucking sweet to watch on fucking video, right? Fuck it. My little bear kept me safe. Oh, a big ass fucking shit got me fucking. Yo! Come here. It's high revving. You got the multi-tool on you? It's high revving.